Right, well, here we go. Time to steam up a Mamod SE1 from the 30s. It's incredibly cold in the garage, so I'm afraid it'll only be a quick one. But let's see if we can get a tune out of it. Recently bought this on eBay. Some of you may be well aware of the, the issues with it. For those that aren't, it was missing the pulley, the burner had a wick holder missing, and no bung. So I've since made those parts. I'm just having trouble getting the oil to flow here. Like I say, it's awful cold out here. The water was actually frozen in the syringe, trying to get it in the boiler, so it gives you an indication what we're up against today. I just thought I'd take the opportunity, seeing as I have a little bit of time this morning, so I'll just run a bit of steam oil down the main bits, and then I'll proceed to oil the rest of the moving parts with slightly thinner motor oil once it's running. I always use steam oil on pistons and cylinders and big ends, but everything else, it's quite agreeable, I find, to use motor oil, so that's what we'll do. A little blob there. Got to wait for it to percolate now, and we'll see what we get. So this is completely unknown. I've had it running on air, but everything runs on air pretty much unless it's a complete nail. So we'll see. Oh, there we go. It's just about ready to run. A little bit reluctant, but then I can't say as I blame it particularly. It's like I say, incredibly cold with it out and all. Give it a try it with a tad more oil, just and see if it'll relent. There's plenty of oil in it, but and plenty of steam, as you can see. It's just a bit reluctant. Seem to be losing a lot of steam out of the safety from what I can see. But then again, as I say, let me just find a cloth. I don't know anything about the history of the engine or what ills have befallen it in the past. So, we'll have to just give the old girl the benefit of the doubt. I think the burner's actually gone out. So if you just bear with me, I will rectify that and be right back. Right, here we go, let's give it a whirl. As you can see, it runs quite well given its age. I mean, I've just had to put an O-ring on the steam pipe because it were split in two, and but other than that, it's as I found it. I think we had a blocked steam pipe before because it weren't going a lot, so what I did, I just pushed the piston, the cylinder away from the port face, and the pressure blew out whatever was blocking the line, and it seems to be very happy now. Repair wick burner's very good. you know, it burns lovely, very evenly, which is a relief because I've never repaired a wick burner before. And there you have it. So 1930s Mamod in steam. I was a bit reserved and in two minds whether to steam it, because obviously given its age and the fact that obviously some bits have been repainted, and I didn't know whether, you know, any bits would be any good, you know, whether the paint would disappear or not, but it seems to be holding up rather well. It runs very, very smoothly indeed, as you can see. There is a lot of steam vapour, but then on these it is very cold and there's not an exhaust on this particular model. They didn't exhaust the chimney till 1946, so this predates that by quite some margin. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.